Here's how you can add a color overlay on an image in Adobe Illustrator. So first we go to File to create our new document. Go to New, and then we create our document. For me, I will create a scale document of 1920 by 1920, and then name the file, the document, overlay, and then create. Once a document is created, you drag in your image. I will drag my first image here, and then align it to the document, then select the document. Now, the easiest way to do this is to go to Edit and then look for color, edit colors. But you can see that since we are supposed to be converting the image to black and white, the grayscale is grayed out, so we'll use another alternative. We go to Object, and then we select Rasterize. This one will convert, and then select Grayscale. This one will convert the photo to black and white. And then now we go to the rectangle tool and create a square over the image, and then we select our color. For this one I will go with green, lighter green, yes. And then we go to Windows and look for transparency, this one. And now we change our blending mode to overlay, and the image is now converted to a different color than the one before. Then we reduce the opacity to 45 so it can look a bit better. Let's go 50. Yeah, 50 looks right. And from here you can change the color of the overlay to any. You can go to red, you can try purple, you can try blue, you can try baby blue, you can try green, you can try orange, and even red. This can work with any image. Let's try another image. Go to the artboard, create a new artboard, and then drag our new image here to the canvas, align it to the canvas. And now, as before, you can try going to edit and look for grayscale, because in order to convert the image it has to be black and white. But for this case the edit option is not working. Then we go to Object, Rasterize again, choose grayscale, not RGB, just grayscale, and then we convert it to black and white. Select our rectangle tool and create a square shape over the image. Again, you go to Window, look for transparency, and you select overlay. Then reduce the opacity to make the image look a bit better. For this one I'll go with 65. There. You can change the color of the image to whichever you like. I'll go with purple, and then you can change to whichever color you prefer. Maybe blue. You can change if you want the image to be a bit darker. You can go to multiply and the image will be a bit darker. If you multiply and the image will be a bit darker. If you want to be a bit brighter, you can go to overlay or colors. So this second image, go to overlay or colors, and that's how you add color overlay on an image in Adobe.